If you're getting ready to head out the door, low to mid 70s right now around Lake O. Those are our coolest temperatures right now. 73 Belle Glade, that is definitely the coolest spot along the coast. Mid and upper 70s and lower 80s. 79 in Vero Beach and in Stuart. 78 in West Palm Beach. Boynton and Boca, you're waking up in the lower 80s, and we're going to heat up quickly. Now, for a portion of the area, specifically Palm Beach County, rain chances are well below average. And for the rest of the area, Martin County north back into Okeechobee County, still slightly below average in the rainfall department, but I do think your rain chances are just a tad bit higher. We've got a disturbance that's kind of stirring up the atmosphere, especially in central Florida, but it is close enough to the northern portions of our viewing area that it's going to aid in the development of some rain. You can see we've got some showers already moving into western, northwestern Okeechobee County, and as we head through the morning, rain chances are a bit higher in Okeechobee County, Indian River, and St. Lucie County, and overall throughout the day today, rain chances will be higher the farther north you are. So let's take a look at that through Vibercast. A few stray showers as we head through the morning along the Treasure Coast and in Okeechobee County, and then really as we head into the afternoon, isolated rainfall around, the chance for a stray storm or two as well, especially after 1 o'clock. But you'll notice most of Palm Beach County, especially the farther south you are, has a good chance of staying dry today. It's really focused along the Treasure Coast, Vero Beach, Fort Pierce, even Okeechobee, where we have a better chance to see a few showers as we head through the afternoon and into the evening. But I will say overall today, rain chances are below average for all of us. It just looks like Palm Beach County will be a bit drier. Sunrise after 6:30 this morning, and after that we'll have plenty of sunshine. We're in the mid 80s by 9 a.m. Lower 90s by 11 o'clock, and it's going to feel like the triple digits before we even make it into your lunch hour. So very, very hot today, topping out in the mid 90s. A few isolated rain and storm chances if you're doing boating this afternoon, mainly along the Treasure Coast. Same advice if you're headed to the beach. It's going to be drier along the Palm Beach County coast, but you do have a better chance of some lightning if you're headed out on the Treasure Coast. Quick check of the tropics for you. All is quiet across the Gulf and the Caribbean. No development expected in the Atlantic in the next 5 days either. So of course we love to hear that. As mentioned, mid 90s the forecast for highs today. Rain chances are higher on Sunday. So if you're planning out your weekend, do know while there will be some rain around for some of us today, rain chances are definitely higher on Sunday and even higher on Monday and Tuesday. In fact, I think Monday is going to be a pretty stormy day. We'll talk more about all of this